Okay, let's continue. I am eager to expand my culinary repertoire. Whoa, wow. That is not an easy word to write. That's not an easy word to spell. Do you like cooking? I do. I love cooking. I'm not a very good cook, but I love cooking. I love eating. Everybody loves eating, of course. So today we're going to assess, analyze, and improve a Task 1 General Training sample. Welcome to IELTS Juice. It's a magnificent piece that we have today. Let's just dive right in. And the prompt here says, you recently did a short cookery course. Yay! The Cookery School has asked for your feedback on this course. So I love cooking. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm gonna enjoy this particular letter. Write a letter to the course director at the Cookery School. So you're going to address the director, the head of the school. In your letter, describe what you enjoyed about the course. Say how much cooking you've done since the course, and suggest another cookery course you would like the school to offer. This is just a fascinating task. Let's get into it. I can't wait. All right. Dear sir or madam, I am writing because we say dear sir or madam because IELTS probably instructs us to say that as your salutation. Otherwise, you definitely know who the dean or the head of the school is, and you can just address that individual by name. But that's besides the point. Let's focus on the response. I am writing to provide feedback on the short cooking course on Italian cuisine that I attended from 1st to 7th of June 2019 at the Royal Culinary School in London. It's a prestigious name, and it's correct. Culinary is also spelled correctly. I'm loving it already. The most remarkable aspect of the course was the variety of dishes we were taught to prepare and the professional, competent chef who was our instructor. I'm not sure if the word competent should come in mind when you're talking about such a prestigious school, you know? Of course they're competent, but yeah, but that's fine. It's a very good word. And spelled correctly, and it's related to the genre that we're speaking about. Pasta and pizza are the most famous Italian foods, and I, correct punctuation, had always dreamt of being able to cook them at home. Pasta and pizza, okay? The fantastic chef, Mr. Fabio, probably Mr. Fabio, was patient and helpful, and I could not have imagined a better experience in such a short time. Lovely. That's the first introduction. That's the introduction. I mean, that's the first paragraph, and it's to the point. It's very formal. It's appreciative, and at the same time, it gives information. I understand the tone here, that the writer would have liked to actually see what is going on, and wanted to say that this is not necessarily an action-based letter. It's a letter to the dean, just to inform the dean that I really enjoyed the culinary course. Thank you for the school. Thank you for all the efforts you've put into the school. That's all. So this works quite well. Then we have another paragraph. Since completing the course, I have prepared different sorts of pasta, all catering to a party of 10 people. Bravo! Already. Nice. I should take my cooking hat off and put my teaching hat on and say, yes, again, fabulous. Again, that's a good opening sentence. My guests enjoyed the dishes immensely, as evidenced by the verbal feedback and smiles they gave me. Okay, so nobody filled out a questionnaire, of course, or there was no poll on the internet that you could go actually and press whether you liked the dish or not. But anyway, that was a success for our young chef here. I need to again put my teaching hat on and say, this is a body paragraph and we have only 2 sentences in it. I wish we could have a third sentence just to make it a proper body paragraph. And a small amount of detail, probably about maybe just the type of dish that you prepared and you presented. It was different sorts of pasta, I know. I mean, the method, the main dish, the dessert, maybe I'm sure as a world-class chef, you can think of some appetizers or drinks that go very well with pasta. And those elements are missing. They should have been there. I mean, everything. That could have added to this, to the letter that you actually learned your lesson and cooking is one element, but presenting it, being a hospitable guest is a totally different thing. And hopefully the way you presented everything was well organized. I just hope that later when you write body paragraphs, you could add and implement these elements inside. Okay, let's continue. I am eager to expand my culinary repertoire. Whoa, wow. That is not an easy word to write. That's not an easy word to spell. Oh my God, especially for you guys out there yet that you may not know this, many culinary jargon or items or vocabulary items or lexical items, they come from French, rightfully so, respectfully so, of course. I know we're talking about Italian chef and Italian cookery lesson or course, but the words about that, many of them come from French. So it's not that easy to spell those words accurately. And I have to just admire. I just have to. Repertoire. Wow, it's not easy for someone to know these words. This is the one that hits the examiner's brain that this is a 9 in vocabulary. This solidifies it. We just have to wait until the end, but this word is a key element here. Let's continue. And would be thrilled, of course, a very good word, if you could offer a course on Turkish cuisine. Cuisine, again, another very good word related to that. My fiancé. Whoa. Just told you the presence of French in this is amazing. I mean, I just have to pay my respect. My fiancé and his family are Turks living in London, and I would love to surprise them with my newfound skills in preparing their traditional dishes. Newfound skills. Beautiful word, beautiful collocation. You can already tell I'm having a blast here. I'm loving it. You can see how joyful reading these words are. I am confident that the quality of this course will match the previous one, And I hope you will consider my requests. Okay, okay, good. Okay, you're offering a course on Turkish cuisine, and you know that the quality is just as good as the course with the Italian cuisine, and you are saying that if you consider it, I'm gonna take that course. Lovely. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your response. Yours faithfully, 221 words. Oh my God. Oh my God, let's look at the band descriptors right away. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is an 8.5. Of course it is an 8.5. What feedback would you like me to say? What feedback? Come on. Uh, vocabulary, amazing. Grammar, in 220 words, the range was wide. Yes, I did not see, for instance, inversion in it, but still, we had second conditional, we had defined relative clauses, we had correct punctuation. It was a healthy I mean, not sentence, but a healthy letter, all in all. I just, in the areas that I wanted to see improvement are, one, the paragraphing. Of course, I don't want to see a body paragraph with 2 sentences. It is a paragraph still, but you know, and there were some details that we could have seen there, but there weren't. And that also the same thing. Yes, I mean, every bullet point, everything was addressed sufficiently. I'm happy, everything is fine. It's just a matter of beauty. It's not 9 because of that one single part, a little element that needed a little bit of details. That's all. That's all. Other than that, I'm very happy to have presented this magnificent letter for you guys. I'm really happy. I also enjoyed the topic was something I really love, and the way it was presented was also beautiful. That was a beautiful letter. Ah, it's over now. If you wish to see how this 8.5 can be even better to a 9, and this is just one of the ways that you can get a 9, there are many other ways. Don't forget to click on the description below, and there's a link that will take you to the IELTS Juice website where you can see a 9 version of this letter. If you wish to see other letters or essays assessed, scored, analyzed, and improved like this, click over here. Of course, you can go ahead and subscribe up there down below. I hope I'll be assessing your letter or essay next time. Take care.